Yung tira naming Peking duck, gagawin nating mas masarap. We are making Peking duck salad. Cheers! So good. Clean hands, promise. I'm separating the skin from the meat. Medyo i-extra fry natin yung skin para crispy. We are just heating up para lang hindi siya malamig. Ito na yung for me pinakamahirap na part, which is gawing matchstick sizes tong watermelon, mango, and cucumber. Unahin natin tong seedless watermelon. Next is cucumbers. Next, mangoes. This is a jellyfish salad. Kung nakatry na kayo ng cold cuts from a Chinese restaurant, ito yung usually nasa gitna. I drained the water out and then may mga kasama siyang sauce packets. Lagay niyo lahat. Ito na yung pinainit kong Peking duck, yung meat muna. We have our extra crispy skin and then our jellyfish salad. Here's the dish. Be gentle pala, friends, kasi sayang naman yung mga hiniwa nyo. Yan! Cheers!
Success.